I spent a lot of time trying to find cheap and affordable and reliable VPS provider. It wasn't easy. I had to spend a lot of time. And the issue is, I even asked my community, I asked my friends, my colleagues, and the answer was like I had a long list. I even went online on like Reddit. I even Googled. There was a lot of reviews, a lot of posts here on Reddit. If you go search all by yourself, you get to see that these accounts or these reviews are mostly fake, or these accounts, they are suggesting a specific company. If you look at their comments on their profile, you will see that they keep posting only that specific comment. Buy from this, buy from this. I tried this, it's working for this. None of them has any other organic post or organic reply. They are just selling you an organization, a company that they never used before. Fake reviews. I can do the same thing. I have over 100 Google accounts. They're all hooked to Gmail, Reddit, Pinterest, Instagram, etc. I can do the same thing, but I don't want to do this because why? It costs me time and money trying to use a VPS provider until I discovered this platform, which works perfectly. And the funny part about this platform is, let me show you. So this tiny dashboard, clean, organized. You see here, you get to choose. So Amazon, AWS, I don't need to suggest anything. I don't need to say anything about Amazon. They own over 40% of the digital cloud hosting in the world. It's managed by AWS. You can Google it by yourself. Google, I cannot defend Google. And Linode, Vultr, DigitalOcean. I personally tried DigitalOcean for over 6 months. I used Vultr for cloud gaming. Linode, honestly, I never used them. AWS, I had a virtual machine. Google Cloud, I use Google Developers account. And the funny part, you get to choose every platform, any platform here, you get to choose it. And how it works is very simple. So we have WordPress here. We have nothing. You can just install a clean WordPress, WooCommerce, or you can install a specific script for your project. And here you get to choose. So you want this VPS from which organization or which company? Do you want it from Linode? Do you want it from Vultr, DigitalOcean, or Google Cloud? You get to choose. So let's say I want DigitalOcean. I click here. Now they ask you, do you want the general basic one, standard one, which is 1 gig of CPU? Or do you want a general purpose? I don't know, I will just choose basic, or you want CPU optimized. So if you are a newbie like me, you will just select basic. I will select 1 gig and I will click standard. I want just a standard basic VPS. And where it's located, where it's hosted. Well, I want it in London. No, I live in Vancouver, Canada. So I want something close to me. So Toronto is good. Now we click launch now and boom, see what's going to happen. It will create a VPS in DigitalOcean, 1 gig basic RAM CPU, and it's located in Toronto. It will take 5-10 minutes and you will have a VPS ready. Okay, what I'm gonna do with this VPS? I need to install some scripts. I need to secure it. Well, they got you covered. Okay, so if you go here, what is it? Application view all. So if you go here, you get to see a lot of add-ons. So malware protection, you can protect the server from the website from the viruses. I don't know, some spam, some shady hackers. And here you have Astra. I don't know, the website builder and attached to WordPress. And here you have email, you have DNS, Cloudflare, you have a lot of crazy stuff, all for free. And I don't need to do anything. I just need to go to my server. I click here. Actually, it's being set up. And when you enter your server, you go to application. And here you get to install your WordPress. You get to install your WooCommerce store, or you just want to upload your HTML static file. No worries, they got you covered. Or maybe you want to send some email list. You can just go here, boom, and you can create your mailbox, start sending emails, forwarding, etc. And how much it costs? Well, look here at the server. So digital, if you choose DigitalOcean, and you choose low, because I cannot create anything because I'm creating a VPS. That's why it's not allowing me to do anything. You can just click here. I will wait. After 5 minutes, we go here and we have manage services. And check this out. You can enable, disable all this stuff, and settings. You can play with the memory, all the magic here, packages, optimization, maintenance, I don't know, backup or something, and security. Let me show you. You get to block some countries, create a firewall, malware protection. You want to have a shell access. You want to do some magic stuff. And here we have the backup. You can enable auto backup every, I don't know, week, day, whatever. And we have the SMTP for the email. If you want to send some stuff, you can do this through the server. And we can go here. I will go to application. I will add application. The software will prompt you like, where do you want to install this application? I would say here. I will click add application. Now it say what application you are trying to install. Well, I will install WordPress, WooCommerce. I don't know. I want to install some Magento. I never use Magento, by the way. Laravel, PHP. You want to run your forum. I don't know. And you call it, let's say WordPress. Let's call it demo and add application. Boom. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. And you will have your application ready installed in your server. Well, you don't know how to migrate. You have a WordPress that already installed, like me here. I have MrA.ca. It's already installed, hosted. Namecheap, I think. I actually have multiple websites. I even forgot which hosting I'm using. I'm using, I think, Namecheap. So you have this website already. You want to move it to Cloudways. Well, it's very easy, straightforward. Just watch with this video and they will walk you through it. Very straightforward. That's pretty much everything for today, and see you in the upcoming video where we'll get to explain a lot of crazy stuff here. Bye.